Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to review and unboxing the Belkin wireless charging pad, so stay tuned. As you can see, there are so many options out there, so I need to find which one can support my iPhone 11. As per Apple, iPhone 11 can only charge at 7.5 watts, so I need to find which wireless charger is the most suitable one. After scrolling and browsing hundreds of times to find the perfect one, there is this one brand that's caught my eyes, and it's called Belkin. Before I buy the product, I've checked their website and there's a bunch of wireless charger. They got 15 watts, 10 watts and 7.5 watts that I have my eye on. Since my iPhone 11 only support at 7.5 watt, I went back to the online store and purchased one. After a couple of days waiting, it's finally arrived. It has a rubberized ring on top of the charger to prevent your phone from getting slipped. Some wireless charger doesn't have this, so this is nice to have. What I like about this charger is that it has its own AC adapter. Some other wireless charger provide only cable, either micro USB or Type-C, and you need to use your own adapter. It's a little bit of a bummer for such company just to provide you only the cable and not include AC adapter in the box. One of the downsides is you need to put your phone directly on the coils to get a charge. So please be aware when you're putting your phone on the pad, or else you will not get a charged phone. If you put some metal on top of the charging pad, the light indicator will show yellow. So it's better to remove it from the charging pad since we don't know what will happen on the charging pad if it stays there for too long. So it's better to put all your keys and coins further away from the charging pad. It also can charge through 3mm case. If you have more than 3mm case, like per se 6mm, it's better to remove it from your phone or buy a wireless charger that can support more than 6mm. This is very important before buying this kind of product to avoid disappointment later on. Using wireless charger is very convenient. After you went back home from outside, just place it on top of the wireless pad and just go watching movies or playing games or do whatever you want if you want to charge your phone. But please keep in mind that using wireless charger is quite slow if you want to compare with cable, so please keep in mind on that. Well, that's it. I hope you get what you want from this video. I hope you enjoyed my video and thanks for watching.